Telegram for iPhone transforms the way you message and share. It's more than just a messaging app. It's a creative hub that connects you with loved ones securely and stylishly. Discover features like a sleek, intuitive design for easy navigation, end-to-end encryption for secure chats, high-quality voice and video calls with minimal lag, stickers, emojis, and themes to personalize your chats, groups of up to 20,000 members and unlimited channels, and the ability to share files up to 2 gigabytes with unlimited cloud storage. Whether it's polls, quizzes, or bots, Telegram makes your messaging interactive and fun. Getting started is simple. Open the App Store, search for Telegram, and tap Get. Confirm with your Apple ID or Face ID, then launch the app once installed. To set up, open Telegram and tap Start Messaging. Enter your phone number and verify it with a code, and enable notifications and permissions to get the best experience. With Telegram, enjoy seamless messaging, share media, collaborate in groups, and customize your experience, all with top-notch privacy. Explore more about Telegram for iPhone and its powerful features by visiting our detailed article. Start revolutionizing your messaging today.